Hello guys, this is Web2Pix Android app. Web2Pix Android app is used to capture the web page. If you would like to capture a selected area of web page, or if you would like to capture the full web page, then you can use this Web2Pix application. Here I am going to explain you how it works. It is very simple. Just enter the URL of your web page that you would like to capture. So tap on the text field, enter the URL like Android apps. So I type the keyword Android apps, and then here you can see the Google result. I tap on the Android apps on Google Play URL. This particular web page is opened here. Now we have the 4 buttons. Remove sticky elements, that is used for the various ads that those are coming on the web page. So you can use the remove sticky elements. So it will remove the unnecessary things from your web page and clean that particular web page. And then we have the start here and end here. So if you would like to capture only visible part, then you can use the start here and end here button. And if you would like to capture the full web page, then you can use the capture whole web page button. So here I am going to capture the visible part of the web page. So I will tap start here, and then I will scroll the page till I would like to capture, and then I will tap on the end here capture button. So this particular selected area or visible area web page is captured now. And this is the image editor. So this particular application is having inbuilt image editor. You can edit the image, you can add the text, you can pixelate, you can crop the image, you can add the stickers and all other things. So just like if I am going to draw something on the image, then I will use something like that. I can change the thickness and other things, and then I can draw something and then apply, and then we have the stickers. So suppose I would like to tap one stickers, then I can use that. We have the light things. Let me do the undo, and then we have the mosaic. I can add more photos on this particular captured image. So suppose if I would like to capture one image here, okay, then I can capture here. So this is the image, the web page I have captured. I can add some more images on that and then apply and then save. So this particular image is captured and marked up. So whatever web page you are going to capture, you can edit that one also, and these are the share options available. So you can share the things with anyone. Same thing you can do with another web browser. Suppose I am going to type something different. Like we have one news website. Its name is bhaskar.com. So I open the website here, and then I remove the sticky elements. I remove the elements, and if I would like to capture the whole web page, then I will tap capture whole web page. So this particular whole web page is captured now. Now I can draw the same thing on it and then save and the share. So this is very simple app. Anywhere you can use it. Whenever you would like to capture any web page or any selected area of the web page, you can capture that. You can share with your friends, and if you would like to test your any mobile websites on the mobile browser, you can use this particular app. You can find the issues, you can mark up them and share with your team members. So this is all about Web2Pix Android app.